Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. Consistency has been a major challenge in this journey of mine, but anyhow we move. Today we are going to make cow leg pepper soup or cow foot pepper soup, anyhow you call it. This is my cow leg. It's been in the freezer for a while now, and I'm going to defrost it, and the cooking process will commence or begin. Okay, so today in this cooking, I'm going to be gisting you guys all through. I want to tell you guys a little about my secondary school days when I was writing my WAEC. My dad took me to a neighboring village to go and write this WAEC, and I was very small compared to the people in the class in those days. So my uncle was the principal of the school, and my dad handed me over to him so I could stay there, study and write my WAEC and NECO. And I was in his house with some guys from my community. They were relatives of mine, and they kind of were so playful that the utterances that used to come out of their mouths most times is not fine. So they were bullying me verbally, and but they don't know they were, or they knew they don't even care. That was their way of life. They have a very funny way of laughing. These two guys can laugh at you that you will cry. We knew that is their attitude right from home. Some of them are my followers on Facebook and YouTube. Please don't take it personal. I decided to share this story today, not from the place of pain, but from the place of encouragement. I want to talk to someone today. So in case you find yourself with people that are bullies, people that talk down at you one way or the other, whether intentionally or unintentionally, please don't let it get into your head. Don't let it stop you from being who you want to be, because you have to be who you want to be for yourself and for your generation. So back to my story. These guys will talk down at me at any given opportunity. They will laugh at me so hard. It was bullying, but they do not know, or they do not care they were bullying. So it was getting into me that some friends of mine where I used to run to go and stay away from them, some of them, two of them, a lady and a guy, that they were far older than me. One day they decided to follow me to the house and then play the same game that they were playing on me. Then the day that the exam started, the first day of the exam, I was in the bedroom because our bedroom is outside the house. So it's a one after the other thing. When he came to bed, he noticed that I was there. He knew that I was the one there. He now asked, "Who is there?" I said, "I'm the one." And then he said, "Please do quick and come out. You people that your education stops in the kitchen. You should not be disturbing we that are men, that our education is going to end in the office." Sheka kwa make dengami agba amek shekulu me shekulu obukai. That was the way he put it in my language. So when he said that thing, a part of me was weakened. And I was like, what does this guy really mean? And there, I decided that my education would not end in the kitchen. I decided that whether my background can give me education or not, one way or the other, I am going to be successful. He doesn't know that what he said that day triggered something in my mind. So I didn't answer. I just bait and I left there. And fast forward years later. So guys, let's just know that any utterances, any careless talk from your mouth can either encourage someone or discourage someone. Some people drop out today because of bullies. Some people let go of their dreams today because of one careless talk or one careless attitude that somebody gave them on their journey to success. So please, let's be an encouragement to the people around us. Don't give them reasons to give up on themselves. And guys, don't you ever give up on yourself because of what somebody think about you or what somebody says about you. Because you can only be the product of your thoughts. You are the product of your decisions. Nobody can decide for you. If you want to fail, it is your decision. If you want to win, it is your decision. Today, I am a working class mother, wife, and although I'm still in the kitchen, but my education did not end in the kitchen. It wasn't rosy trying to find a place to stand, but I never gave up. To the glory of God, things are better than how it used to be in those secondary school days. So, if you don't give up on your dream, my dear, you might not get to where you want to get to at some point or early in life, but definitely you will not be where you used to be when you started. And when you look back, definitely you will have a reason to smile that you did not give up. So as the story is going on, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and then click the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be one of the first to know that, okay, OJ has dropped a new video. Though I am not consistent because I have work to go to and my work is demanding. But any time that I have time like this, opportunity comes, I will drop video once in a while. So click the notification bell so that when the video drop, you can see it. Thank you. So what you see me packing here is my onion paste. I sell onions in bulk. So anyone that is about to spoil, I wash them, clean them up, blend it and turn it into a paste. Put them in my jar, bottles like this, and I fridge them in my refrigerator. So nothing go bad, nothing goes to waste. I do so with my pepper and red bell pepper and all that. So I make a paste out of the ones that are getting bad and I put them in the fridge so that I don't lose everything. So that is what you're seeing on the screen right now. It might be an idea to someone if you don't know. That is how we roll in OJ's kitchen. So our pepper soup is cooking well. As you can see now, is almost ready. The bone has started separating from the flesh, and that's a sign that your cow leg is almost ready. So let's continue. Okay, so if you are in Abuja and you're interested in cow sharing this Christmas, leave a comment in the comment section because I have a group where we share food stuff, food items, because the rate at which the prices of things skyrocket these days, bulk buying is the way out. So I coordinate the group and you have nothing to fear. So if you need cow in large quantity, you want to share quarter, half, even full cows and slots, all that, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll add you to the group and you'll see how we share things. Even goat meat, ram, chicken, old layers, tomatoes, pepper, onions, name it, every food stuff down to beans. Just indicate I'm interested with your phone number, or you just send a direct message to me so that nobody will pick your number from there and scam you. So this is how we roll. If you want cow leg, contact me. I'll give you at a cheaper price, wholesale price. So on this pepper soup matter, how una see am? How una see this pepper soup? It's giving, right? It's really giving. So to end our story for today, let's say no to making people feel inferior, to making people feel less of themselves, to talking down at people. So if you notice anything wrong with anybody around you, find a better words to talk to them. find a better way to address it so they don't lose themselves. So, what will you gain if someone loses out in life because of you? What do you stand to gain if somebody fail because of you? Because if one person fails, the generation of that person has failed, except by the mercies of God. So let's be kind. And this bullying doesn't end in primary school, secondary school, or university. Even in the office, some offices, there are bullies too. Some adults are bullies, knowingly or unknowingly. Just don't let it affect you. So look at this pepper soup. It's giving 10/10, right? I wish you guys can come and taste it. Come and taste it, come and taste it. So, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so that when a new video comes up, you will be one of the persons to be notified. So, this is how we roll. This is how we roll. We love you so much. In OJ's kitchen, your health is your wealth. Eat now that you are alive, because the dead don't eat. We love you guys. Drop a comment in the comment section and give us a thumbs up. Bye.